In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a practice chord neck out of this, which is a shim. These are for doors and window installation. You can buy these. This is a synthetic one or composite material. They also come in wood. And I want to show you something pretty cool. Look at this. All right, so it fits pretty much the same size as the ukulele neck. We're only going to use the bottom portion or the left-hand portion, so this is fine. It has some serrated portions here, so I'm going to flip this over and use the back. So for this, you're going to need some tape. Could be any kind of tape, but a light color preferably, and then a dark pen. Or you could reverse that. You could have a dark piece of tape and a light pen, but here's a black Sharpie. We're going to create a practice neck, and this you can use for practicing your chord shapes. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the tape and just put this over my shim. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to cover that, and we're going to fold over the edges real quick. Like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. Anything will work. There we go. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark, since this is the nut, I don't really need to mark that, but I'm going to mark the position of the frets, and I really only need to do 3 or 4 of the frets, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines. Close enough. It doesn't have to be exact. Then I'm going to draw my strings, and you might want to use a ruler. I'm just going to freehand it here. So I'm going to draw the G string, the C string, the E string, and the A string. And if you want, you could label those. Why not? Just for help, you could label those anyway. You could do anything you want with this. You could use multicolored pens. Now, I've got basically a little map, right, of the ukulele neck. Now, what I can do with this is when I have some time and I'm just sitting around, or let's say the whole class, all the students have one of these. I could use this for assessment or evaluation. I could walk around and say, everybody make a C chord, right? Show me an F chord. I could just practice any chords. Let's say do a G7. So let's do an E7. I could just use it for finger placement, and we know that muscle memory is one of the things that we're trying to develop with the ukulele. So, you know, is this the most exciting thing on the planet? No. But is it a tool that you can use? You can use it for practice. You can use it for evaluations, all kinds of things. And it's very cheap, easy to make, very quick. All right, so I hope this is helpful. And thanks for tuning in to the Ukulele Club channel.